Students, welcome to class 7 maths. Today we are going to continue our chapter the triangle and its properties, lesson number 6, exercise 6.4. So what is our question number 2 here? Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Okay, so here we took diagrams of PQR triangles. In that O is a point that we take of interior triangle. Okay, in that what we have to show? OP plus OQ greater than PQ, OQ plus OR greater than QR, OR plus OP greater than PR. Is it possible or not? Yes or no? That we have to show. Okay. So first one we will take. What is the first one here? OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Okay. Why? How? Yes or no? See OP. From here this is O. This is O. OP and OQ. OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? Yes. Yes. OP plus OQ greater than PQ. What is the reason here? What is the reason? See, by joining here OP and OQ. So here OP and OQ and I am joining here. We get the triangle OPQ. Yes or not? So we get triangle OPQ. The sum of length of any two sides, these two sides, this length is always greater than to the third side. So it is proved now. So OP and OQ is greater than PQ. Okay. So what the reason what we will write? By joining OP and OQ, we get the triangle OPQ. Okay. Now see OPQ we get triangle. The two sides are greater than to the other third side. So it is S. That is the reason that we have to write. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. Now second one we will see. What is the second one here? OQ plus OR greater than QR. That we have to show. For see here OQ, okay, OR. From this diagram see OQ and OR. This one triangle happened no. So OQ plus OR is greater than PQ. Happened or not? See OQ and OR, the two sides are, while we are counting these two sides, it is greater than the third side. So S. What we have to write? S. OQ plus OR greater than QR. What is the reason we will write here? See, here we will take one diagram, see. See in this, see what we have to mention that, see while we are joining, here this take R, P, Q, PQR triangle, why we are joining OR, okay, and OQ. These two sides are greater than the third side. Yes, POQ and OR are greater than QR. Okay, that reason we have to mention. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. How? By joining OQ and OR, we get triangle OQR. Okay, OQR. Now next one OR plus OP is greater than RP. Just take one triangle first, okay? See triangle 1I2. Take one triangle, okay? So P, Q and R. O is the interior point, okay? Interior point of triangle. In that OR, O and R and OP. So what we got here? Triangle OPR. Which triangle we got here? ORP, otherwise OPR. The triangle there, these two sides are greater than the third side. So it is proved. S OR plus OK is equal to S OR plus OP greater than RP. What is the reason we'll give here? By joining OR and OP, we get triangle ORP, okay? And the reason, the sum of length of the two sides are greater than the third side, okay? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side, okay? Now next question. See, now next question what given? AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Okay, first we will take triangle ABC. Take one triangle ABC, okay? On triangle ABC I took, that is A, B, C. What telling? AM is a median. So first we have to take midpoint as M and we have to draw. So this is AM is a median. We draw one line, okay? From vertex to median we draw one line, that is a median. So AM is a median. So what we have to prove is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. We have to prove this equation. And here again what telling? Consider the sides of a triangle, triangle ABM and triangle AMC. These sides of a triangle we have to consider. First one what? ABM and AMC, okay? First we will consider first triangle ABM, okay? Consider triangle ABM. So in this triangle, so in triangle what we have to do? Two sides are greater than the third side. So first AB plus BM. AB plus BM is greater than, AB plus BM is greater than AM. So we will take as one equation, okay? Now we will similarly consider AMC. Consider similarly in triangle ACM. This now we are considering. Otherwise AMC, ACM, AMC, whatever you want to consider. See, from question AMC I am considering, okay? In that AMC, here also two sides are equal and other side, two sides are greater than the other sides. So first we will take CA plus CM is greater than AM, okay? CA plus CM is greater than AM. This we called as second equation, okay? First we will add these two equations. By adding equation 1 and 2. Now add AB plus, okay, BM plus CA plus CM greater than AM plus AM, okay? So this equation what we will write? AB plus CA. Here BM plus CM greater than AM plus AM. See here m is common. So what we will take, m common we will take out. M AB plus CA plus BC will remain greater than AM plus AM 2AM. So came now here we proved now AB plus CA plus BC greater than 2AM. Came? Yes. So it is triangle we done. Okay. We mentioned. So next question what given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. First we will take one quadrilateral and here we will write ABC. What are the points? A, B, C, D. Okay. So is AB plus BC. So BC first we have to draw here line from B to C, BC and CD. CD plus DA. So DA also we have to draw one line. So like this quadrilateral we took. And this we have to prove. Okay. So in before question how we did like that we have to consider. Okay. What we have to write here, we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So from triangle what we did, any two sides is greater than the third side. So we will consider like that only. So from this quadrilateral we will take triangles. First what we will take? First we will consider one triangle. What is that triangle? ACD. Triangle ACD. This triangle we consider. Okay. Consider triangle ADC. So in this triangle what we will do? In triangle that sum of any two sides are greater than third side. Like that we have to take. First CD plus DA. Okay, CD plus DA greater than AC. Okay, CD plus DA greater than AC. So similarly other triangle we have to consider. Now which triangle we will take? ABC. This triangle ABC. This triangle we will take. Triangle ABC. In that first AB plus BC greater than AC. AB plus BC greater than AC. Okay. So first one what we given, this we will take as equation 1 and this we will take as equation 2. Okay. Because quadrilateral how many vertex there? 4. So 4 times we have to consider. No, like the triangle, see 4 triangles are there, like that we have to consider. 2 triangle we consider. Now other triangle what we will take? See BCD, this one triangle there, BCD we will consider dig. Similarly consider which triangle? Triangle BCD. In that see BD plus DC is greater than equal to BD. Okay. What? BC. Okay. CD greater than BD. BC plus CD greater than BD. And in triangle this we call as third equation. Now one equation left. And in triangle now which triangle left here? Which one left? ABD. So from this AB plus DA greater than BD. Triangle ABD. AB plus DA greater than BD. This we will consider as 4. Okay. Now we will add two equations. First we will add two equations. Adding two equations. Two inequations. Okay. Now we will add first these two inequations. How it will come? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD plus BD. And what will come? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2BD. Okay. This is one of the equation. Okay. Now we are adding these two. Now 3 and 4 we add done. Now we will do 1 and 2. Okay. Now consider the two inequations 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2AC. AC and AC then means 2AC plus doing then 2AC. Okay. So this is the 1 and this is the 2. These two equations we got from these 4. Okay. First this we done from the 3 and 4 and this we done from 1 and 2. Now from these two equations we have to add. Now add these 1 and 2 equations. Then what will come? 2 in. First add now. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now greater than 2BD plus 2AC. Okay. So AB and AB how much? 2AB plus BC and BC 2BC plus CD and CD 2CD plus DA and DA 2DA greater than 2BD plus 2AC. Now 2 take common. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than, here also 2 take common, BD plus AC. Okay. Greater than 2 cancel happening, then what left? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than BD plus AC. Okay. So we proved now see AC, BC, CD, DA is greater than BD plus C. We proved this equation in quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Thank you students.